Today is the day that we are getting our back the car. Ay, ito yung grab namin. Say hello, ate. Thank you po. Ito yung kunin na namin yung car na. Yeah, video me. Wait lang, video me yung car. Yeah. Pakita ko lang to. Pakita ko lang to. Kaway-kaway! Yay! Ayan, ang tawiyar nila. Ito yung car namin. Oh my gosh! Malinis na! Oh.
Kasi ginawa ko na lang ng paraan, yung maayos, ayusin na lang. So yung participation na lang.
Akala ko 66,000. Akala ko may chat din po 66,000.
I'm just about to go. So, yun. So, I know naman.
Okay.
So, I need to pay. Gcash na lang ba?
Yep.
So,
oh, you're filming me. Stop. Why is that? This one or this one? Both. This one. It's how much? 299. 299. Ito, expensive. 549. Una tayong titingin is sa mga alak. May naka-buy 2, get 1 free. 718 pesos. Ito. Buy 2, get 1 free. What is that? A cake. Buy 1 take 1 cupcake. Ito yung muffin nila. Buy 1 take 1 nila 319 pesos. Ayan o. Ayan. Buy 1 take 1. Tapos ito pa namin. So ito yung kinuha ni Daddy. Ayan, dami o. New item. Ito pa rin pang regalo oh. Ay, ang sarap nito. 200. Ay, hindi ito buy 1 take 1. 239. Ano lang, price drop. Diba oh, pa rin pang regalo. Naka sa box na siya. Wow, turkey. Ayun na,
Christmas is now arrived.
Christmas now is arrived. How much is it? But you mean it's not bad? That's so expensive. 2, 3.
Like 4 days worth of meals.
Yeah, turkey. Pag ano kasi, pag British, ganyan lang talaga yung panghanda nila. Noche buena na namin yan. Yan lang. Tapos, ano lang, vegetable. Basta yan ang pinaka-main, ano nila, main handa nila pag Christmas. Ito yung kinukuha kong meat dito. Meatballs, ito yan. Yung naka-marinate na. I-ano ko na lang siya, diretso luto na siya. 600, 499 ang kilo niya. So meron din naman mura ito. Pero almost lahat 600. Parang 2 kilo yata ito. Basta kasi ito naka-marinate na siya, ganyan siya. Tapos pang spaghetti, ganun. Meatballs, spaghetti meatballs. Mga premium ham.
This is fun.
Ayan, that one. Prices niya, may mga nakapack na siyang ganito. Ito yung binili namin. Ganitong ham. Hindi sweet. Kasi yung mga ham natin is usually sweet. Yung mga ganito. Mga sweet ham. Ito, yung mga normal na ham lang. Okay siya. Ito, meron din mga deli.
Ito na lang yung kaila ano?
500. Mga sweet na. Ito mga cheese. Ang mamahal ng cheese. Ito. 200
We'll get the one.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. I want that one.
No, there we go, yeah. So, that
Oh,
one.
that one. Blue cheese. That one. Gusto ko to. Blue cheese. Pang ano to, biscuit. And then we have to get a biscuit. Ayan, may mga ano sila. And how about this? What is this? So smelly. Smelly cheese? No.
No.
Diba, oh, ito oh, yung mga tote bags. Okay. Ito na yung pang Noche Buena namin. No more chocolate? Konti lang yung nakasale ngayon na chocolate. Maybe because it's gone already. Oh, this one is cute. What is this?
Yes.
Ah, best. Crayon. Colorful, oh. Magkano to? 199 ang isa, dahil. 199. There's a sale, Daddy, oh. KitKat. KitKat, ito ay 239. KitKat. Ito, nakasale yung KitKat nila. Hershey's. Mahal pa rin. Ang liit lang, oh.
This one?
299. Mahal. It's expensive.
Another expensive.
299 just for one each.
Oh, look.
Oh, diba? Yeah. Okay, mga sale na kasi nila. Ito nga, oh. Diba isang payong 429. Ito na yun. 400 na to. Ay, ang mahal. Akala namin maraming sales ng chocolates. Konti lang pala. Daddy, disappointed. Disappointed yan. Mag-check out na ako. Konti lang yung nabili namin. Pang Noche Buena lang. Pipila na ako. Konti lang kasi yung mga nakasale na chocolates. How many percent alcohol is that? Because if it's less than 10, I'm not gonna get it. I need more high. I need to get drunk.
Oh.
Oh,
Go and get
nothing?
Go and get another pack. I'll
why?
open this.
What does it say?
13 and a half.
10 and a half?
Go and get another pack. Donut-ish. Stand there. Don't
I'm just watching you. You can do it. Look at the muscle there.